Big news for tech enthusiasts. Nvidia is working on a brand new chip for China, which will be faster and more powerful than H20. This could be a major move in the global AI chip race. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Nvidia's new chip is rumored to be called B38, which will be their latest addition in their chip family with a single die design that makes it more efficient. It's set to deliver about half the raw power of Nvidia's flagship B300 accelerator, while being more powerful than the H20 chip currently available in China. It'll also include high bandwidth memory and NVLink technology for fast data transfer, making it a strong contender for AI applications. Sounds good progress for a company to us. Business deals on this chip with China will certainly make the company flourish. But here's the catch. Regulatory approval is uncertain. The US government will have to decide whether Nvidia can sell this more advanced chip to China. Recent comments suggest the door may be opening for approval, but nothing's final yet. Meanwhile, Chinese companies like Huawei are quickly gaining ground, and Nvidia needs to act fast to protect its market share. Last year, China made up about 13% of Nvidia's revenue, so this is no small battle. Chinese media have criticized Nvidia's chips as potential security threats, but Nvidia denies this completely, saying there are no risks or backdoors in its technology. Nvidia certainly can't lose this market, as it's even ready to pay 15% of their revenue to Trump government just so they can maintain their business. At the same time, Nvidia is also preparing to release another chip for China, the RTX 6000D, which is designed for AI inference tasks and fully meets US export rules. Deliveries for that chip are expected soon. So the big question is, will the B38 chip be approved and help Nvidia stay strong in China, or will local competition take over? This decision could shape the future of the AI chip war. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.